Andrew and Kait, and we use our weekends and limited vacation days to travel as much as possible, and we want you to do the same, so here's a quick travel tip.
So today we are talking about travel credit cards. Two of the most popular ones, if you have good enough, I think it's maybe even excellent credit or really good credit, you can choose between the Chase Sapphire Reserve or the Capital One Venture X. So both the Capital One Venture card and the Chase Sapphire Preferred are good cards. These two cards are the levels up that get you even more perks and benefits with a little bit higher annual fees, but a lot more perks.
Yeah.
The Chase Sapphire Reserve is a little over $500 in annual fees, and you'll definitely get at least that back and more. The Capital One Venture X card is a little over $300 for annual fees, and also definitely gives you that back, that and more with the perks.
We get priority on both cards, but on the Capital One Venture X card, you get the Capital One lounges at DFW, Dulles, and Denver. So that is something to consider because that airport lounge is ridiculous.
It's like we want to travel more often just to go to the lounge more often.
Yeah.
The Priority Pass lounges in certain airports are really great. The one in DFW, our home airport, is personally always very crowded.
Yeah.
So having the Capital One Lounge access in DFW is a game changer for us.
We would probably still say that the Capital One Venture X card is the better choice for all around points, all around bonuses, all around perks.
You get double miles on everything. So with Chase Travel, you get one-time points on everything. So like a point is a cent, basically. But in Capital One, every cent is 2 points. If you book a flight on Capital One Travel, that is 5 times points. If you book a hotel, it is 10 times points. I will say the hotel and flight booking on Chase Travel is comparable. However, I've had a lot of issues with the Chase Travel website. It is quite difficult to use, and I do not enjoy it as a product. However, we did have a moment where we did have to cancel a flight, and their AI technology helped us cancel it with no penalties, no problem. So I'll at least give them that. However, the Capital One website is far easier to use.
With both of these credit cards, you have to use them properly because their interest rates
APR
are
is no
ridiculous.
You do not want to carry a balance on your card. I'm not telling anybody how to live their financial life, but what we do is instead of using debit cards, we use this and immediately pay everything back. So if I'm gonna get groceries, I'm gonna use the Capital One Venture X card to get double points on my Target run. And so if you can pay it back immediately or same week, same day, same month, then you won't carry that balance and get really hit with the fees because then travel cards aren't worth it if you're paying more interest than you're getting benefits.
So that's our comparison on these two great cards. They both have great benefits and they can both benefit you in different ways.
It just depends on what works best for you. Let us know down in the comments what either works best for you or your favorite travel credit card. Make sure to like and subscribe to get more content like this in the future, and until then, we'll see you soon.